accepting that mentality, you know?
Hey, good morning.
Morning.
We're dressed appropriately for court.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so where are we on discovery?
So, Judge, this is a first setting on this case. I'm pretty sure I've turned over all the discovery, but I don't know where defense is at with downloading it and viewing it, reviewing it.
That's inaccurate.
All right. All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a 30-day reset for discovery and state at this next setting, you need to be prepared to tender an offer.
We have received an offer.
Okay.
And we're conferring at this time.
Do you want a plea deadline date?
No, Your Honor.
Okay.
No, Your Honor. We're ahead of the game, but not too ahead.
All right, thank you. 30 days, please. All right, September 9th, then after that date, you'll have a plea deadline date if y'all have all of the.
This may look like routine scheduling, but don't be fooled. Deadlines in criminal court are like ticking time bombs. When Judge Boyd says September 9th, she isn't just pushing paperwork, she's setting the moment of truth. For the defense, that clock starts running now. Discovery has to be reviewed, offers considered, and a strategy locked in before the window slams shut. Viewers, imagine standing there, your future depending on how quickly your lawyer can download and digest evidence. Would you want 30 days to prep, or would you risk going to trial half blind?
Discovery, and on that date, I'll also need an acknowledgement of discovery.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, is there anything else?
No, ma'am.
All right, then, once you sign the reset form, you're excused. Just have a seat. Your attorney will bring the reset form to you.
So,
All right, thank you. Thank you.
Judge.
Thank you.
We all start trial
Yes, at 1:30.
at 1:30. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. And then there's a hot dog there.
Oh, yeah, no, now to get it done now.
Yeah. They'll be very nice.
Okay. All right. Alexander Matthew Torres. You know me so well. Thank you. Just give me one moment. All right. Court is calling 2022 CR 2355. Oh, there's no objection?
no objection from the state.
Oh, well, that solves everything. Well, before I agree to your early termination, what have you learned?
A lot of parenting skills. I got a lot of advice, relationship advice. A lot of the classes that I went to. Yeah, I know a whole lot better about everything. Taking my time with relationships, not moving so fast anymore.
Mhm.
Yeah.
All right. Well, the no contact order is still in place. You understand?
Yes.
All right. Well, I'm glad that you have learned something. I always say parenting classes is always great. Anger management classes always great because sometimes the day doesn't go the way we expect it to go, and it's easy to get frustrated and then take out your anger on somebody else. All right. Well, good luck to you. I will grant the request for early termination. Once it's presented to me by probation, I will sign it.
Thank you so much.
All right.
That right there was a turning point. Judge Boyd didn't just sign off on paperwork, she validated a journey. Notice how she probed. What did you learn? Parenting classes, relationship advice, anger management. This wasn't lip service. Courts, look for growth, and this defendant knew the script of rehabilitation. The audience might wonder, should a few classes and good intentions outweigh past mistakes? Judges have to gamble on human potential, and in this moment, Boyd rolled the dice on redemption. What do you think? Was this leniency a second chance, or a setup for a second failure?
Thank you. And thank you for dressing appropriately for court.
You're welcome.
All right. Thank you. Have the show here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, who is here on Jared Cowan? Right, has all the discovery been received?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has an offer been tendered?
Not yet, Your Honor. I confirmed with the state. They're reviewing the case to see the offer.
Okay. All right, Norma. Recall this in 3 weeks. State you need to tender an offer at that time.
Your Honor, if we may have 5 to 10 more minutes, we may have an offer. I wasn't.
All right, thank you. All right, just have a seat and we'll come.
We'll stand by for that.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Yemi Del Angel Reyes. Michael David Sewell. Richard Campos. Ah, thank you. Oh, I still have the phone. Yes.
Judge, with respect to Jared Cohen,
Mhm.
the state is extending a PTD offer.
If you help him come forward. All right, so Norm, I need to reset date for PTD. No, PTD.
I can do, for 9.
All right, are you in school?
I'm going to be this fall, yes, ma'am.
All right, so when does school start for you?
The
Everyone, please whisper.
26th, I believe.
26th of August.
Yes, this month.
Are you going to school here or out of?
UTSA here.
Okay. Do you have morning classes?
I haven't picked them yet. I'm gonna try to do a mix of online and in person since I'm working right now.
All right, Norma, put him down for you to appear by Zoom. You can, well, I should say, you can appear by Zoom if you so choose. I don't want to interfere with your class schedule.
Yes, ma'am.
And you may not be able to sign up for my class because I think that would be a conflict. So don't,
Teach at UTSA?
yes, so don't, unless somebody has a problem.
What was
If
your
you want to
name?
sign up for my class.
The state wouldn't.
Okay.
Have any problem?
What do you teach?
I teach campaign and election law and trial advocacy and appellate law. So, all right, so you can appear by Zoom, so it won't interfere with your classes. Counsel, you'll need to have the contract and all of that done by next setting.
Understood.
All right, once you sign the reset form, you're excused. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Hello. Sure.
I'm here on Matthew T. Martinez. He just got retained,
Yes.
so he just filled out a notice of appearance in the back.
Okay.
So just want to let the court know,
Great. Thank you.
may I be released?
Yes, you may be released.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Sure.
Yeah.
All right, are you all ready to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, who's for the state on this? It's criminal trial division.
I can do it, Judge.
Thank you. All right, the court is calling 2021 CR 2967, State versus Gloria Marie Carrizales. Can I have parties announced?
Duffy Pitlock for the state of Texas, Your Honor.
Of course, John Bart for the defendant, Your Honor.
And are you Gloria Marie Carrizales?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Gloria Marie Carrizales who's placed on community supervision in 2021 CR 2967 for the offense of evading arrest detention with a vehicle on April 28, 2021 for a term of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violation of condition number 5. In Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Gloria Marie Carrizales, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of December, January, February, March 2025 in violation of condition number 5.
How do you plead to that, true or not true?
Sure.
The state will waive and abandon the remaining violations, Your Honor.
All right, there are other violations?
The state does see a supplement.
All right, so did you review the supplemental motion to revoke community supervision with your attorney?
No, ma'am. I only saw one violation.
Okay. All right, did you review that with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
And it appears that the state is only proceeding on the violation that you were aware of. They're waiving any other violations. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So the court is not going to consider any other violations, only the violation that you've pled true for if you wish to continue with your plea of true. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you to 5 years in prison and up to a $1,500 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 5 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There's not, Your Honor. We're going open.
And state, what are you recommending?
The state is recommending you grant the state's motion, revoke probationer, but reform the judgment for 3 years, Your Honor.
All right, defense, what are you requesting?
Judge, we were pleading true. It's kind of a unique situation in this case, Your Honor, with an explanation. I think our first choice would be to just deny the revocation and terminate her unsatisfactorily. If I can give a little background, Judge.
Yeah.
And what I didn't have when we appeared before. When she pled into probation on this case and she was granted probation, she was in Bexar County Jail, but she had a blue warrant.
Mhm.
And so after she pled on this case, her parole was revoked.
Mhm.
And then she was in continuous custody until I have a document here, and it's just from the TDC, and which it also shows that she was in custody, Your Honor.
Any objection to the court reviewing the document?
None from the state, Your Honor.
All right, you may continue.
And so, Your Honor, in speaking with Ms. Carzals, she did say that she did meet with the probation officer who came to the Bexar County Jail, but they were kind of perplexed as to the reason why she pledged probation when she had an outstanding blue warrant and parole issues.
Usually there's a plea because they think if they were given probation on this and some sort of help, then maybe parole won't revoke them. Sometimes parole will look at that, not revoke them. Sometimes parole will.
In my conversations with Ms. Carzales, she stated to me that when she did meet with probation, they had represented to her that if she got revoked, then they would seek to modify the probation to.
Until start your discharge.
And obviously that did not occur, Your Honor, and I don't know the veracity of that situation or not, Your Honor. I don't. But you know, she's presenting herself here to the court right now. She's admitting that, yeah, once she was released from TDC, that she did not report. So it's just a unique situation. I mean, there's a situation in which there's confirmation that she was actually in prison. This is not a situation in which she just absconded and ignored her obligations to the court, Your Honor. There's not. I guess it's about 8 months or so left for the term of probation, Your Honor, and I think it's just that she was looking for some little reprieve from the court so that she could either continue on probation or consider terminating her unsatisfactorily so that she can go ahead and actually kind of hit truth and get on forward with putting this situation behind her, Your Honor. And I think she also wanted to explain some of the things about the circumstances and also trainings and things that she had received since she was first put on probation, Your Honor.
All right, you want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Gloria Marie Carizales.
All right, counsel, you may proceed.
Now, you had some things that you wanted to tell the judge about what you've done to change yourself since you were put on probation.
Yes, I did the cognitive thinking. I got 2 trades. I got my license in mechanic. I got my MVAC. I got my GED. And I took every class that I could to change my life. I got full custody of my son. And I just had a setback. I had a job. I was doing everything I was supposed to. I was taking care of my child, I was paying my bills. And I just want to get back to that. He goes back to school on the 18th, and I've already missed so much time with him.
This is raw humanity laid bare. Gloria doesn't beg for freedom for herself. She begs for the chance to mother her child, to work, to rebuild. It's hard not to feel the weight when she says she's already missed so much time. The legal system loves black and white, probation or prison. But life? Life is shades of gray. Here's the moral tension. Can a system built on punishment also honor transformation? Viewers, if you were Judge Boyd, would you risk trusting her again? Or tighten the chains to make sure the rules are enforced?
So it doesn't matter if it's probation or if it's termination, because I'm going to do it regardless. And that's really all I want to say.
Is there anything else that you wanted to public judge about?
And I mean, if it's the 3 years, I did the 3 years, and that's when I changed my life. And right now, being in custody, I'm trying to get to more classes. I'm just trying to do what I can to change my life. And like I said, if it's probation, I'll take it and I'll do it. If it's discharge, I'm gonna do it. It really doesn't matter to me. I just want to get on with my life.
All right, so any questions? I'm sorry, State.
None from the state, thank you.
So you've taken these classes, but what have you learned?
I've learned about my anger. I've learned about the way I was thinking and how I hurt people. And I've taken full responsibility for myself and my actions that I learned. I learned to be productive. And if I would have known that I could have just came here, I would have. And I didn't know that. But I mean, there's no reason why I should be in this situation. There's really no reason why, except that I broke the law, and I'm just ready to take responsibility.
Probation? What is your recommendation? Any objection to the court review and the court summary?
None from the state.
No, Your Honor.
But here's my question, where have you been?
Where have I been with my son?
Yeah, because I mean, the thing about it is you were released on probation, according to this, November 17th. I'm sorry, released on parole, November 17th, 2024. And after that release, people have been trying to contact you. And what I can tell you is, I remember first starting out, probation wouldn't do all of this.
The person that I was on the probation at, I left that situation, and he's in custody right now for shooting me for leaving. So he wasn't telling me anything.
All right, and who is this person?
James Oviedo. I have a no contact order with him.
I'm sorry, James who?
Oviedo.
How do you spell the last name?
Oviedo. And he wasn't letting me know that probation was contacting me. Nothing. He didn't let me know anything.
And when did this shooting occur?
It occurred a month ago, or like a month and a half ago. I went to go talk to him and get the rest of my stuff. And as I was leaving, he was trying to keep me there. And when I was walking away, he shot me. And I went ahead and went to the hospital.
All right, and what's his date of birth?
It's April 12, 91.
And here's the twist no one saw coming. Gloria reveals she was shot by the very man tied to her probation circumstances. Suddenly, her missed check-ins don't look like neglect. They look like survival. The courtroom froze for a reason. The stakes just went from paperwork violations to life and death context. Judges hate surprises like this. It complicates everything. For us watching, the question is brutal. Should her legal fate hinge on deadlines missed, or the fact she's alive? Despite being a victim of violence, justice doesn't always fit neatly inside the rulebook.
All right, I'm going to think about this for a moment. Just give us a moment. Does anybody want to check into her story with this James Oveda?
The state is confused. Was that the probation officer or like who this gentleman is?
He was the one that I was on probation at his house.
That is the residence where you were staying. So your probation had to, he's not your probation officer. This was a suitor.
Yes.
And I guess probation was going there.
Okay. Just have a seat. We're gonna unpack these bags, okay? Just give us a moment. Just have a seat. All right, James Toshi?
Yes.
Your client, Alexandra Dean, is on Zoom.
Okay. Would you like me to?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. All right, Miss Dean, you need to show your Matthew Lewis Martinez.
Yeah, I believe they're talking about.
Okay. All right. Yemi Reyes? All right, Norma, if you'll let him know his client is not here. Antonio Garcia Jr. Antonio Garcia Jr. Hector Renee Aguilar. All right, Deputy Mejia. When you have a chance, could you bring out Hector Aguilar, please? All right, what is your name? All right, could I have that back, please? All right, Hector Garcia. Oh, I'm sorry. Antonio Garcia Jr. If you come forward, please. All right, your attorney's on vacation. Norma, recall this for the 12th.
This month?
Yes, August 12th. So that will be your plea deadline date.
Okay.
All right, once you sign the reset form, you excuse.
Okay, thank you.
And thank you for dressing appropriately for court.
Thank you.
All right, Joel Gonzalez, if you'll come forward, please. Your attorney is currently in jury trial, so we're going to give you a reset. All right, Ms. Ferguson, reset this in 2 weeks, please. All right, so once you sign the reset form, you're excused. And on that one, you said 8/21, Norma?
Yes.
All right. All right, who's here on Cody Wade Harris?
Morning, Your Honor. John Gilmore on behalf of Mr. Harris.
All right, if you'll come forward, please. All right, is this an application?
It is, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Morning, how are you?
I'm doing great. How are you doing?
Doing fantastic.
And thank you for dressing appropriately for court.
Thank you very much, man.
All right, guys, on Cody Harris, I don't have the acknowledgement of discovery.
We believed that we had filled one out last setting, but I can reprint.
Oh, no, they'll just need to pull it. Do you all have it? Just give us a moment, okay? All right, the court is calling 2024 CR 0490 State versus Cody Wade Harris. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state,
Deputy Pitlock for the state of Texas.
for the defense?
John Gilmore on behalf of Mr. Harris, Your Honor.
And are you Mr. Harris?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I have you.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Harris, did you review the application for deferred adjudication or community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, I have, Your Honor.
Did you sign it?
Yes, I have, Your Honor.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it, sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand your charges possession of a controlled substance penalty group 1, 4 grams to 200 grams? That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in, the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication? If for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, The court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine.
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do believe that, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do believe that, Your Honor.
Mr. Harris, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea bargain agreement, the state recommends deferred adjudication. There's to be restitution of $60 to the Bexar County Laboratory for testing. There's to be restitution of $60 to Texas Department of Transportation. There is to be a judgment satisfied in 2025 CC 000685. A TAP evaluation. Follow those recommendations in MRT. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No motions, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 4 years, and there be 100 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state, and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plea? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
State any evidence.
State offers State's Exhibit 1 and all attachments at this time, Your Honor.
No objections to that, Your Honor.
All right, state you may be excused.
Thank you, Judge.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Just very briefly, Your Honor. Mr. Harris is a 51-year-old farmer. He made a serious error in judgment 2.5 years ago. He's made a lot of significant life changes since then. Most importantly, he met his significant other, Jessica, who's present in the courtroom in the red back there, Your Honor. She's been a positive influence on his life, positive influence on getting him through this and following all conditions of release. They're actually getting married in September as well. And they both look forward to getting this behind them and to proving to the court that Mr. Harris can be a contributing member to society.
All right. So if you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
Good.
All right. So when's the last time you used?
Probably the day of.
Right. And so you went into the hospital, and what happened? Because it shows here you were arrested.
I don't recall any of it. Your Honor, I remember leaving, and that was it.
All right. So how do you maintain sobriety?
I do a lot of work.
All right. And what do you do?
I farm. I work for a man with a trucking business, and it's 8 days a week, and it doesn't give me any time to.
8 days a week?
Well, it's
doing my math. I mean, there's a day Deputy Laura, Deputy Mahir, there's a day we've been missing.
You have to.
Do we need to add that to our schedule?
You need to understand the man I work for.
And so when you say you farm, what do you farm?
Been combining Milo and been cutting a lot and baling a lot of hay here last.
All right, what is Milo?
It's maize. It's just a grain, kind of like corn.
Okay.
It'll make you sneeze and make your allergies itch.
Okay. Do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am. I have 3 girls.
And what are their ages?
30, and the twins are 30, and then the youngest one is 22.
All right. So when you do have free time, how do you spend that?
Spend that with my family and my grandkids.
All right. And how's your grandchild?
I've got 6 of them there, anywhere from 7 to, I believe the youngest one right now is about 4 months.
Okay. And are you here in Bear County?
I live in Wilson County. Yes, ma'am.
All right. So is there going to be a request for a transfer?
Yes, Your Honor, I believe so.
And how, I'm trying to learn geography of Texas. I know I should already know this, but I don't. How far is Wilson from Bear County?
They connect counties.
Oh, okay. So,
I actually have work in Bear County.
all right. So do you need a transfer to Wilson?
If you will be concerned, but yes, if not, then
I come into San Antonio, I'm in Bear County for my job, but I also go farther south also. So I wouldn't have a problem with coming to Bear County or.
Okay. All right. This is what the court is going to do. 4 years deferred adjudication, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, restitution of $60 to Bear County for laboratory testing, $60 to DPS, judgment satisfied in 2025 CC 000685, proof of employment within 45 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. I'm going to do the transfer to Wilson County. And I'm going to want field visits 1 time per month for 5 months. There's 100 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order the parenting classes since you're seeing grandchildren a lot. Once you complete the parenting classes, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. There's to be a TAP evaluation out of custody. Follow TAP results. Although probation, if they recommend inpatient treatment, we'll start with outpatient treatment. Is there anything else, probation? 100. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so we can go off the record. Here's the thing. Your case, I see it involved perhaps a DWI. You say you have a wedding coming up. You're one of those people, you cannot drink alcohol. So at the wedding, you can't do that champagne toast. If you don't want anybody to know that you're not really doing a champagne toast, they have the Welchers that looks like champagne, I think. So there are other things to do it. You cannot backslide now. If you backslide now, what's going to end up happening is there could be a violation and you're looking at potentially 20 years in the prison. So I know you don't want to see that happen. In this court, when people are on probation, communication is key. If there's an issue, let probation know about it. If you feel that you're about to use, call probation. What they're going to do is they're going to set it for a compliance hearing, and we're going to see if we can get you back on track. Everybody wants you to be successful at probation. Otherwise, the state wouldn't have offered it, you wouldn't have accepted it, and I wouldn't have gone along with it. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes.
travels for work, is that an open travel permit?
Yes. And I'll add the open travel for work.
We appreciate that. Your Honor.
All right. Thank you.
May we be excused, Your Honor?
Yes. Well, he'll need to go over conditions with probation. Then he is excused.
Excellent.
All right, thank
Appreciate
you.
it. Thank
Have a
you.
great day.
You too. Yes.
I did just want to let you know that we can, to update you, that we did look into, that matter.
Mhm.
So we've had some answers on that.
All right. Just give me a moment.
We also have Hector Aguilar.
All right, let me see Hector Aguilar. All right. Hello. Hi. So your attorney is on vacation. I didn't want you to be brought over and not know what's happening with your case. So we're going to recall you. And Norma, is this Who's the attorney on this one? All right, so you want to put it on the same date as this other case? All right, so we're going to bring you back on August 12th. Do you have any questions? I'm so sorry. Let him know. Okay. If you'll let him know, Deputy Mejia, what the date is. Yes. Although I think I could have told him the date in Spanish. I'm working on my numbers. Ocho. I'm getting there. All right, and could I see the officer who's waiting for me, please? If they can come around to my right. Oh, this one. Yeah.
Oh, Your Honor.
Hello. Oh, long time no see. How's it been going?
So good. My daughter's beautiful, Judge. I'm so happy.
Oh.
I'm working more part-time now. That's why you won't see me as much. I'm
And how old is she?
4.5 months.
Yes.
She's a little angel. She's been sleeping well, except last night she woke me 5 times.
Oh, she's so cute.
She looks like her dad.
Oh.
I love.
I see you in her.
You do good.
Yes.
Most people don't.
I do.
Well, good. I hope
She
looks
has
like
your
both of
smile.
us. Oh, thank you,
Yeah.
Judge. But yeah, I've been enjoying it. I'm very tired and I'm struggling, but I'm very happy to be tired and struggling. That's the only way I can describe it. I love the suffering.
Oh, that is so awesome.
Yes, Judge. This is Mr. Longoria's first setting, Judge, and there's some missing discovery, which is to be expected. There's a few videos that are not uploaded. I spoke with Mr. Pitlock about that, and we're hoping that next time we'll have a complete discovery and be able to decide how we're going to move forward.
All right.
Because there is an accompanying misdemeanor, and so whether we're gonna TIC one or the other is still in the balance, and is going to depend on what we see on the missing video that actually has audio.
Okay. All right. I need a 30-day reset on Longoria for discovery, please. All right. Oh, and sir, just have a seat. They'll get the reset form for you. And thank you for dressing appropriately for court.
It's gonna be, if that's right, the 11th, Judge.
Sure. September 11th.
Yes, Judge.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Sure. Have a good one.
My new client it seems like is not present.
Okay.
So I don't know if you wanted to. be
I
nice.
can recall it.
I was gonna say maybe give me a week. Once I get the appointment information, I'll reach out to him. Try to hear again.
All right. Could you all pull the file on Sewell, please?
CW, there's no vowel in the. Okay, W.
Yes. I'm like, Sewell? 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 I don't know.
Well, and there's a big, I think it's in Houston, a car dealership family. I think it's Sewell or Sewell, something, but there's a vowel.
Yes.
Do you have anything fun planned for the weekend?
No. And my niece is starting school.
Oh, college.
No, preschool.
Oh, that's cute.
Just 1 second. Probation. What is probation's recommendation with regards to this? They say that she is truthful.
Judge. Have to go just based on the court summary. She was let out of TDC in November. She never reported to probation. The court summary indicates revocation. She's supposed to expire April of 2026. I defer to the court.
Okay.
Judge, if I could just add, I guess it's just from what I'm observing, it's that has a number of struggles and she continues to, now that she is a victim or alleged victim in an aggravated assault case, it just continues that these problems that she has had to try to overcome and endure, Your Honor. And I think in speaking with her, Your Honor, that when she was in TDC, that she tried to utilize to maximize the time to try to improve herself.
All right, let me ask you this, because it says in the court summary that she was in felony drug court. So did she successfully complete felony drug court? I don't think so. That's why she's here.
I was in drug court when I was in my, I think 18, 19. I wasn't ready to change. I didn't,
Oh, I see that's from 2010. That's
Yeah.
before you were placed on probation.
I was
here.
about to say, Your Honor, I didn't inquire about that because I saw that in the probation report, but it is from 2010, so.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court would deny the motion and continue her on probation. There's to be alternate amend conditions to the following: no driving without a valid license and insurance being presented to probation. There's going to be field visits one time per month until further notice. 100 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Previous conditions of employment, and I'm going to ask for employment within 30 days of release. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There'll be random UAs, TAP evaluation, out of custody follow recommendation, and then of course the regular reporting by Zoom or in person, and defensive driving course. Probation, is there anything else?
I'm on the bus. I'm gonna be taking the bus.
I was about to say, I don't.
All right, so it's going to be ignition interlock or a portable monitoring device within 30 days of release. And she can only have the portable alcohol monitoring device if she provides an affidavit of non-driving and no other vehicles at the residence. All right, is there anything else, probation?
Okay.
Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
How do I get the affidavit for the?
Oh, your attorney will speak to you concerning that.
Okay, and one more thing, because I do got full custody of my son, I was trying to work towards getting my own place. How do I do the pay it forward?
Probation will speak to you about that.
Okay.
Yes. All right. All right, good luck to you.
What we saw today was not courtroom theatrics. It was the grind of justice. Judge Boyd juggled strict deadlines, second chances, and shocking revelations, all while keeping the docket moving. Cases like Gloria's and Harris's remind us that the law is less about villains and heroes and more about flawed people trying to course correct. Rehabilitation, punishment, protection, they all collided here. And Boyd? She walked the razor's edge, balancing accountability with compassion. If this case stunned you like it did us, smash that like button, drop your verdict in the comments, and subscribe for more courtroom breakdowns every week.